All right, guys, so I'm sitting here in Steve Protective Dad Pranks 2019 Torch Red Corvette. I'm going to show you a couple of the changes he's already made to the interior. One is he added the red ACS Composite waterfall. Another thing that I love is the MGW gear shifter. That's something that will be coming to my car eventually. Hopefully I won't get any more speeding tickets and then I'll have the money to do it. Another thing he switched out is the red paddles for the rev match, which looks really good. But he's about to make another significant interior change to the inside of his Corvette. Let's take a look at what that is right now. So Steve's about to show us what major interior change he's going to make to his Corvette right now. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness.
Dude, look at that.
Look at the carbon fiber. See, I really like the gloss carbon fiber. It's definitely, man. And this is a GM product. This is not an aftermarket brand product.
And steering wheel.
And
accent.
to match the steering wheel, the carbon fiber insert right there. I don't know if that'll pick up. Can you guys see that amazing carbon fiber? Look at that.
Wow. Dude, this is so light. Look at that.
It's carbon fiber. It's carbon feathers. They call this carbon feathers.
Wow.
But yeah, so this is gonna look really good inside. And I'm definitely looking forward to doing the matte on my car down the road. I just think it looks a lot better. That was one of the big things I really didn't like on the Corvette. Whenever I was looking, before I ended up actually buying the one I bought, I didn't like seeing the plain black like what you have in your car and what I have in my car now. Didn't like that.
So I'm always on the fence. The person that sold me on this was Justin. When Justin, I look at Justin's ZR1, I'm like, yeah, I gotta have this.
Yeah, it looks fantastic. It's well worth the money. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Steve knocked it out of the park as always. The carbon fiber dashboard looks fantastic. Definitely think it's something I need to do to my car soon. But if you don't already follow Steve, go follow him on Protective Dad Pranks on YouTube and also on Instagram. Stay tuned also if you're interested, kind of an idea what it's like behind the scenes if we're prepping for a video and or if we're prepping for an Instagram post. Steve does a lot of Instagram posts, and we have a few sponsors, and this was one of our sponsors that we have. Anyway, stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and leave that at the end of the video. But I hope everyone has a great week. It's snowing here in Texas, so It's not a lot for me to do other than work on videos. Have a great week. Peace.
Okay, so now I think after we do scene 1, we'll just do the opening of scene 1, and then we'll transition. We have to bring in the Super Fuel Coffee promotion from our new sponsor.
Yeah.
We'll go from there.
And I think we should go, instead of Corvettes, Coffee, and Installs, we'll do Corvettes, Coffee, and Carbon Fiber.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, because
freaked out. We're tearing the dash apart.
That's gonna be crazy, pulling all that whole thing out. That takes courage.
Dude, but you know what? This stuff's good.
Dude, this stuff is really good. This is one of the best coffees I've had in a while.
This is my second cup. I'm freaking wired.
Yeah.
Dude, it's that freaking super foods in here, dude.
Yeah. I hope it has good brain energy, because I need it.
Oh my gosh.
We might as well go ahead and tell everybody too. By the way, today's video is sponsored by Super Fuel Coffee. This, I can't say enough good stuff about it. We finally tried it today, and it is absolutely amazing. Comes with a lot of nutrients inside each bag of coffee. It also has K-cups. So if you're a coffee drinker like we are, I highly recommend Super Fuel Coffees.
Dude, it's bad.
Absolutely.
We'll get on this thing.
Let's go.